Hello guys, and welcome to the channel UFO to Know, and in today's video I just wanted to briefly discuss the 7 densities as they are described in the Law of One raw material. Now, per my understanding of how Ra describes it, there are 7 densities, each corresponding to 7 chakra points and 7 colors of light. Think about it. When you see a rainbow, you have 7 different colors. Each of these colors are layered exactly in the same way that the chakra points are layered in our body, and when they come together, they form light. The first chakra point at the bottom of the spine is the red ray, followed by the orange ray, the yellow ray, the green ray, which is the heart center, the blue ray, indigo, and then violet at the crown. Now, the way that Ra describes densities is that each density is basically akin to these 7 layers. And in order to make it up the density levels, a lesson needs to be learned. Think of it as earning a key in order to unlock the next door to enter the next density. So the first one, the red ray, is the density of just primal being, the elements, right? The fire, water, earth, air. In order to make it to second density, the lesson that needs to be learned is the lesson of awareness. So the second density, the orange ray, is the density of awareness. Once that is unlocked, think of beings such as animals, plants. They have awareness, but no sense of self-awareness. That is why an animal will run away to survive, but it won't necessarily, remember 5 minutes after it ran away that, wow, I just barely escaped that near-death experience. Once the lesson of self-awareness is learned, it unlocks the door to third density. Third density is the density that we currently reside in, and it is, as I said, the density of self-awareness. It is the density where we need to make a decision. It's for this reason that it is the shortest and most intense of all 7 densities. It's the density where the lesson that we need to learn in order to graduate to the next level is the lesson of unconditional love. However, there are 2 polarizations, or 2 opposing sides that can be chosen: the one of service to self or the one of service to others. So harnessing love in service to others would be the acknowledgement that I love everyone, all unconditionally, because I recognize that we are one, as opposed to the equally as valid service to self decision of love, which says I love myself more than anything else because I'm all that matters. Once that decision is made through enough reincarnation life cycles, graduation to 4th density can occur. And in 4th density, this is where the veil of forgetting is lifted and we begin to remember all our past lives. And abilities such as telepathy begin to be opened up to us. In this density, the lesson to be learned is the lesson of wisdom, acquiring knowledge and understanding of ourselves and others and what we really are. It unlocks the path to 5th density, the blue ray. The next density would be the 6th density, which is the one that Ra resides in, and it is the melding of love and wisdom that unlock this path. It is where a social memory complex truly is formed, where a group of individuals come together and recognize that they are really one and all share one mind. The next one is intelligent infinity, or the violet ray, and it is essentially the lessons of godhood, and upon achieving that and learning that lesson and achieving that goal, the reconnecting with source energy, which is the one infinite creator, is what leads to the seventh density, which is the final path. So hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully that cleared up a few things for you guys. Basically, the idea is we have light bodies. Those are our real bodies. And these 7 densities represent the densities of light that we contain. So as we're going up the densities, we're becoming more and more dense with light. Even though our bodies are becoming less and less dense physically, it's more dense with light. And so that's how we are going up the density path. So hopefully that makes sense. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Bye.